this is Josh with Trenchless Innovations, and we're here in Lincolnshire, Illinois, and we're here with Mrs. Weaver. And we just restored the underground air ducts without any digging, without breaking up the floor, and without going to an overhead system. So just a question for you. What was your initial reason for calling us out?
We wanted to do radon mitigation, but the ducts were rusted through, the metal coating was rusted through, and the cardboard ones were delaminated. So we had to get all the ducts repaired and sealed before we could do radon mitigation, and hopefully we won't have to.
And so what we did is, when we initially televised the whole underground system, we noticed that they were heavily deteriorated. So we have a trenchless casting process where we go in and we spray the underground air duct with our spin cast mortar. And this gives it a nice, strong structure. And then after that, we come out 2 more times and we spray our duct lining material just to totally encapsulate the system.
And if you are experiencing similar issues and want to improve the air quality within your home, call Trenchless Innovations at 708-758-5070.